Tasema hivi kuanzia December, this coming December right now, 10th of December, the government will start giving keys to already established units which were in lot 1. Lot 1 by December, January zitakuwa we are on a different stage. This being lot 2, which runs up to next year, but one around January. So you can see it takes us 18 months for an entire contract to mature. And this contract overlapping. This one starts January, the other one starts June, the other one says September, like that. So in a span of about 3-4 years, we should be able to having house owners substantially. Affordable housing program si nyumba tu peke yake, bali kwa site kuna vitu tunaita supporting infrastructure. Kwa mpangilio wa affordable housing, ni watu unaweka pale. Kwa hivyo unaweza kuwa na site ambapo unajenga hospitali, na hiyo hospitali itakuwa ikitumika na wale wakazi wa affordable housing program.